Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this opportunity, I would like to share my research titled Junior High School Student Learning Obstacle Relate to Mathematical Communication Ability on System of Linear Equation and Two Variables. My name is Raudia Rizky Tonga. As author and presenter, I am master student of Mathematics Education in Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. My partner in this research is Professor Dr. Didi Suryadi MED. He is a lecturer of mathematics education in Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Well, I'm going to present my research. The first is study background. The low quality of mathematics education is the existence of obstacle in the learning process. One of the obstacles in the mathematics learning process is making mistakes in the process of solving problems related to mathematics. In Ma'arif 2020, the junior high school students have difficulties in understanding mathematics due to the learning of mathematics more focused on procedural methods and mechanics. Teacher-centered learning, learning is informative and student without deep understanding. In Sulistyawati 2015. Difficulties in understanding mathematics learning often relate to student communication abilities. This is expressed by Hernawati in 2015 in her research where student mathematical communication skills are still low. This is due to the lack of student activity where they have not carried out more meaningful activities such as finding mathematical concept and principle, exploring concept, and analysis mathematical problems. Next, goal and research question. This research aims to produce a description of the learning obstacle experienced by students in the solving system of linear equation in two variables problem related to creative mathematical communication. Research question. What are the learning obstacles experienced by students on the concept of a system of linear equation and two variables related to mathematical communication abilities? Next, method and subject. The method and subject in this research consists research method, the research subject, the data collection, data analysis technique. This research uses a qualitative research method. The research subject were 50 students of 8th grade students, junior high school in Padang Sidimpuan, North Sumatra. The data collection in this research consists 1. Respondent ability quiz. Tests were conducted to 50 students. 2. Interviews. Interviews were conducted directly to some students and mathematics teacher. 3. Documentation study. Documentation study toward textbook used by students. Let's move on to result and discussion. Table 1. The difficulty of student in the system of linear equation and two variables. This is the student difficulties in percentage in student high level and student low level. From this table, we know that the student experience learning difficulties on several indicators, especially when the questions presented are in the form of problem solving related to cognitive abilities. From figure 1, so that the students were not able to state the given expression the form of the correct mathematical model and solve it. From the figure 2, it showed that the students still make mistakes. The first error is inaccuracy of the process of separation objects, creating symbols of mathematical expression that have inaccurate meanings. The second error is the error in modeling the situation into mathematical language. The third error is the student making an error in elimination and substitution method formula. Student error in this case include error in modeling and model interpretation. Some of the tendency of math error here is how to communicate mathematics in everyday life. Students cannot create a mathematical model from the description given. However, there are several obstacles experienced by students when solving problems with a system of linear equation and two variables. They have difficulty in determining the fit of the model on the answer given by way of substitution and elimination. Based on the result of interview and documents studies conducted, the research also suspected that there was a didactical obstacle, namely an error in the teaching. The teacher directly explaining the variable in math problem and then used the formula for elimination and substitution. Finally, the conclusion of this research. According to the result of the study, it can be said students at low level experience greatly difficult than students at the high level in every indicator. Students experience ontogenic obstacle, epistemological obstacle, and didactical obstacle. Ontogenic obstacle. Students are hampered by their inability to learning about definition of the system linear equation into variable, form of system linear equation into variable, and method of substitution and elimination. Epistemological obstacle. Students are hampered by incomplete and limitation of the context of the system linear equation into variable. Didactical obstacle. Students are hampered by their inability to use the system of linear equation into variable concept in the context of non-routine equations that are not the same as the context of equation given by their teacher. Okay, this is all for me. Thank you for attention. If you have a question, please write their comment.